Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yes, so my people, good evening. I want to come bust again. When I share, I want to come bust again. I want bust this evening. I want bust this evening. Not go too long ago. 30 minutes video. 30 minute time. Yeah. When I share. My brother, good evening. Now you be my boss, so. Now about God, now be everybody boss, so. Now they bust us. You know about God, for the big bungalow they go for street. I bet when I share. As soon as they share, I bet when they click the link we did there. When they post they put on for, when I post they put the subscribe for there. So now they share and there's one link we there on top. When I just post the press on, you know, I beg. I not they rude, I they beg una. They say the Benin Desante me parable say now management and make them pull water gen soup of yesterday. Make for rich, you know. So my people, I greet you now. You know, say I get a lot to tell now today. But we will talk on small. When I know verse, I know to they come out like that. Not time. You know, not time, not cause. Today na very nice video. Na very, very nice video today. And everybody go like them. Everybody go like the video today. Okay. Yes, as we dey go, we go start. Moku know waiting day. Waiting be the updates. I know say a lot of things they go on for our states. Me, I know they talk about Nigeria, or they talk about Edo State. The land of success. The land where God be create with everything. You know. They make some calculation yesterday, see. For the state where don't consume alcohol pass, Edo State carry number 3rd. After Lagos, who state again? Edo State na number 3rd. They say Edo people they consume beer, consume alcohol, Guinness, Gouda. Will they consume 11 billion every year? How will they consume? Where Edo people they drink. Even when our governor can't say win now, in short, he go reach 15 billion. 15 billion. The way people, my brother, God go bless you. I beg, when I just help us subscribe, I beg. So, we will talk a lot of things today. What they going for those states? Because our table don't full like this. But I never see chance come to analyze and give una one by one, you know. And first and foremost, they say money not there do. Money not there do states. And we they consume 11 billion for alcohol for a year, 12 months. They consume 11 billion naira for alcohol. Now we they consume for Edo. How did they consume? And this one are the same states where therefore they complain, say food not there. Road not there, school not there, then they complain. And we will do diaspora, we they carry the burden. We go see send the 50 euro self, give them, they go see enter beer parlor, see collect bottles. They'll see collect bottles. Okay, breaking news. Well, I know, say, for this life, they don't use power to the race bowler. If you use power to race bowler, you know they work, you understand? If bowler don't fall. You don't use power to raise them up. You know if you walk. You understand? You know, see, sometimes when we tell some of our brothers something to say, more than they use sense, more than they use number 6 till they run things. Nobody won't believe us. Nobody they try to believe what they try tell them. You understand? Because you know say any small pikin we don't start to the grow breasts. Any small girl we be say don't start to the get small breasts they come. You can't feel say man, he no pass mama. You understand? And waiting mama don't see before mama can conceive her, can bring her upon this world. Hey, if he stand on top of Euroko tree, you not go see him. You not go see him. Number one, my other people. And I know say last year that we just conclude the governorship election for those states. You understand? Okay. 100 days don't pass. 100 days don't pass. Our honorable Governor Nelson Obaseki, His Excellency, he promised those people that February he will select appointment, that this is new government will be for young people, that is going to give the young people a chance. It's going to give the young people a chance. That's my great verse. So it's going to give the young people a chance to rule, to deal for the government. One February come pass, March come pass, April come pass, June, July, August, no level. That's why some of our brothers, they come at that time, they can't tell us for social media, say, may them for not spoil their name, may governor forgive them appointments for February. I can't look now say, not be governor when we know, not be our papa when we then vote for what we know. That man pass principal for school. You know, say some principal if they not receive salary, if they buy him for house, as they tie their bet where they want to go school, go teach. They will call their wife. You samu lari. Imana, okay, I finyana la to bake in yina. See where I put this knife. From here to here, no cut time. From here to here, go cut time. You buy 2 cups of beans. You buy all your 20 naira. You buy this, you go calculate and give. That's how our principal be. That's this how our governor be. Yes, let's go there. Our brother Albert Obaze they correct with Comrade shoe. He say Comrade shoe. Comrade shoe don't fit do the work. If they don't collect the work for a hand, he don't fit can support governor past 6 months. He don't fit support governor past 6 months. See, Edo United which one are they do so they vex me which one are they do so when I see this voice when they drop so it did disturb me as I they do this video, so I swear it did disturb me. Sister J, I beg go voice for platform make them stop for now. Many body not drop message. This message they disturb my video, I beg. They disturb my video, I beg. So now I beg more than enough verse my other people, I beg one love family, I beg. So now Governor Albert can't leave the position for Comrade or Yahi. As he leave the position because Governor was very smart. Governor was very smart. They can't they brainwash Oriahi. Oriahi as they come out for a platform, Oriahi can't they feel say he don't be offer no mega. Very soon he go receive a letter of appointment. So then he go buy ticket, then go Nigeria. He will come be minister of so and so departments. Now governor can't use one until they look and say you. All of you now go see appointments. If you now want to ask question, go and ask Tony Kabaka. If you want to ask question, go and ask Oshomole. Who I be? They're not here. Comrade should come begin to speak grammar. Begin to speak grammar. Begin to speak grammar. About quand they look am. About quand they verse. About quand they verse. About quand they verse. Quand they biera. They biera. They biera. They biera. You can say okay. He don't leave government. He don't leave on for now. Now come Reso. Olagba Lukoki. Me I go talk out the way it be. I don't go hide down. Now social media everybody day. Now I bring the matter come. Now we be the judge. Now we go judge am. Now we be the lawyers. Now we go the judge am for here. For now no one more judge am. More now the talk and come out. We must judge am. Now Comrade show now. Conscience say, he go write message give the excellency. No level, governor no go reply. Now the man can't provoke you. Edo people are hungry. Who they verse? Comrade show, we the Edo people will not verse. We are not angry with our excellency. Our governor, you are doing a great job. Ah, no governor. Oh ya defi January oko wai. I get governor, any way you like, you go run our states. You buy, you pay. Yes. You buy, you pay. No level, everybody. No, but you not get anybody to question to answer. You not get question. You not get question because when we come out as the beginning, we were telling the Edo people that second term, it is collect and go home. They say shut up. You don't collect money for APC. You be APC boy. You be say yeah, be PN. You be this, you be that. But many people will run go PDP now. They are planning back to come back to APC, to come back to the EPM. Now, Abat Osazee is frustrated. Abat Osazee is totally frustrated. Abat don't know what to do. He don't know what to say. If Abat talk now, people will be against him. If Abat talk in this government that is labored, yes, to be really be honest, my dear people, Abat labor for this governor. If anybody have to be appointed, Abat should be appointed. I have to say the truth. But this governor believe on one mass show. Yes, he believe on 3 mass show now. Deputy governor, that one won't even decamp now. That one don't they fight him. That one don't they fight him. Deputy governor now is fighting him back because he don't make an insult in your father, political bulldozer. Now, Felicia Ibo don't suffer make a way. Don't go beg your papa. Baba, beg forgive me. He was very smart. During time of campaign, he go lead down for top of the caravan or so they take the campaign that time. He go they beg people, I beg more and not insult my papa. Adao Shomole is my father. Please, nobody should insult him. He was making the peace. But his father constantly understands, see, now still development to your side. Now, he's going back to his father very soon. He's going back to APC. Felicia Ibo will go back to APC. Because Asaba don't be politician. Now so, what do they call him? Our governor, His Excellency, is not a politician. Because you cannot just say you want not be saying win. Say just say he good now he win. No. Edo people pity him just because of the way be said the whole matter country they go that time. Now many people say, no, governor, you must return back. Governor, you must return back. What was the slogan? They say more share money. Abat kon brother. Yes, governor, we can see, or talking a do, he call the sharp, 4+4 bar, 4+4 bar, any 4+4, oh, we do now. And the 4+4 can they happen now? Why the rest people now, where they Canada, where they America, where they Russia, where they different country for the world, where be say, mama, I beg, may you tell these people, may they stop now. When I want to pursue me for this live video, they want to pursue me for this live video. Yes, my brother. Edo not be Lagos. Edo not be Imo. Edo is not Lagos. Edo is not Lagos. Edo is not Lagos. At the end, waiting happen. All those our brothers now, we be say they call the pump money, they give us Akunopodi, about the rest and others. They were putting money. They were putting money. They were putting more money, more money, more money. Yes, I'll donate 5 cars. I'll donate this. I'll donate this. So even self, even abandon their own family, not to even help their family, rather to support the governor. But at the end today, no one is doing video against it. People that was doing video that time, Osomola is bad, Osomola is like this, Osomola is like this, Izeyamu is a criminal. This one is, listen my dear people, we don't they come up for analog era. We are now in digital era. You understand? 4 years is enough for one person to show his ability. 4 years, 1 year, 366 days, times 4. Times 4. Today we are hearing breaking news that Phyllis Shaibo is about to dump PDP. That very soon we disclose next party. You understand? Okay, now the fight now don't enter government house. They are not fighting themselves. How do you expect the youth now, where they say they risk their life, they fight everything, at the end? This was the same fight too, where our brother Comrade Tony Kabaka fights. All Edo was against him. A lot of Edo people was against him. The people that he brought up, the people that was eating with him, then persuade the governor, destroy his hotel, demolish the hotel. When they demolished Tony Kabaka hotel, Abatobaze was smiling. He was celebrating. He was saying, this one, Ubega anywhere, Amega Sinyo or Sigbi, Magbonahim. Do now you don't run come out for Benin, don't go sit down for Lagos. The 550 by 100 or 1 by 2 you want sell for Lagos. Why you not stay for Edo State? Sell the land. Why you not stay for Edo State? Sell the land. Edo State get land. May you tell no say una disappointment will not bring come for us. It's affecting the development of the state. It's affecting the development of the state. Please share this video. Let's invite our friends and please try to click the link of that YouTube. Please just subscribe to us. You know they don't take money. Just press and just subscribe. I beg. So that more for 50 they communicate well. Because when they bring news, they come out for our YouTube channel. So that our 50 they watch them. I beg. More I just see like and share. Comment. Say anything you want to say. Curse me, criticize me, say anything. You are free. You understand? It's a free word. So please don't be scared to insult me. Don't be scared to do anything. No problem. You understand? The word is full of insult. And they don't insult Buhari rich. Not be say the man can't the young. They don't insult Dangote, money don't long. Who can be me? We be say come on Libra. We be so now can't insult you, can't pay me. No, wanna insult me, wanna pour insult. The insult will even bring money. I beg, I thank if not be this young people now we can't even do Europe, put it they call 24-bit, JJ Barry, the Destiny Bago and all those ones. Now they can't even they carry those state near they go for the world. Now they can't carry those state near they go. For a regime, our Minister of Art and Culture, it was prison. It was spent over 1 year. That one I can't go Nigeria. He want lead protest. 100 Nigerians in Italy. You know what they constitute for Europe? You know what in Nigeria they constitute? Not go there now. If you now know what they do for this Europe, they're not going to try for our land. Waiting we Nigerians they constitute for Europe. They're not going to try for Nigeria. They're not going to try for those states. You know how many people will be say Nigerian people don't condemn for Italy. They don't use bad business to condemn their life. You know what the job we don't do. I better forget that thing. That one just day. I'm going to lead a protest. I'm going to take it to them. And look. You want to use this your 419 money laundry, useless things, can't deceive. No, we don't wise past that one, my brother. We don't wise past that one. We don't dare here for more than 10, 15 years now, 16 years. And why I don't see things. So we don't live into the system. We not follow, we not say we come for flight, we can't get paper. No, we also the paper. We travel by bidon for long time ago, not with today start. Long time ago. So my people more start, more continue. So this is the verse why some people come to talk some kind of rubbish things, you know. So let's go to Stone with Abat and Comrade 2. Those guys, they were in Kakos, no? Stone, Abat, Sakonokodi, I hope you did. What did they call this man again? What did they call him? Fake pastor, Apostle Alfred. All of them, they were in support. They were looking for popularity. They were looking for diaspora money. Anybody where you the support of our governor that time, diaspora go begin to call them. Euro people begin to call them. Yes. We want me to do like this. We want me to organize so and so. We go to support you. We go buy motor for you. Euro people begin to pump money. They'll begin to pump money. They'll begin to pump money. We go to tell them. We go to tell them. They go say, no, shut up. They will come my comment section. Come see insults. APC boy, you be fool. You be idiot. You be this. You go die. You go do like this. How the market now? How is the market going? How is the market? Who can win now? Last. Who can win? See now, people who now support, all of them don't do one corner. No job. They are now fighting on social media. They are now fighting everybody. Now, any saga will come out for Europe, now they come the Pumat. Saga will go happen for Nigeria, they not go fit talk am. Now we go constantly tell them. The guys suffer. Saga will be say the city from the those states. They don't go fit talk am. Now we dey diaspora call the talk am. Una we be say we dey Europe. Now we dey Nigeria call the talk our matter. Avec kick with the bread here doa. Avec kick with the bread here doa. 1 year we saga we doa damn your we ma. Why doa ge area now area the morphew area joreu area now. When problem happen of recent ago. Concerning one idiot boy from the other side of Benin, when he was throwing mouth to his generation, Abat come out on live video to said he cannot say any word for that issue. But when you were using those guys to be fighting for election, you will bring this guy to your house. This guy was drinking, he was dancing, he was jubilating. But now this guy crossed a boundary. You tell him to go on his knee and apologize. Just that. Without action. But when Eddie Murphy fucked up, then your in-law, Comrade Tony Kabaka, he was ordered to bring him to the appropriate authority. He carry and go. That is the son of the soil. But you betrayed with the Edo people. You betrayed us. Today you are crying. People are beating you. You are crying. Ebo still betrayed me. This one betrayed me. How can thousands of people betrayed you? Just you alone. When John Osazee was in Edo State, you never allowed that young man to have peace. You contributed to that man marriage dissolved today. The problem that guy have with his marriage today was caused by Abatobase. It was caused because the guy always come out to rubbish his wife's name, rubbish his name, but you cannot do 3/4 what that boy was doing. Wait 3/4 no John Osazee la etibe like on you. Imabe like he like as my do brother. But we know ya anyi like in karata he may be toy me. But emani ebi ha do bori la ina. Ale me we go o. Emani do bobi ari la ina de do. O ibiri ha no. Benefit you, boy. But let's go to Abba today. How many people have benefited from you? How many people have you raised from the grass? Now you are in government now. You are in government now. Your party is in government now. How many people have you empowered? Let's start from there. How many people have you empowered? How many people? Can you bring somebody else? You say, okay, I just give this guy appointment. Let's say, for example, during the time of our comrade, Tony Kabaka, then they were cutting tickets and all those things. Fine. But they use that same level to empower many youths. Today they have a home. Today they have businesses. Today they have voices. That's why that man can never go down. He can never be poor. Because he have already built people around that will always support him when he's down. But about how many people have you empowered? Una don't win. Una turn those states to alcohol zone. They said 11 billion on our drink last year. 11 billion. 11 billion on our drink last year. Una just sit down. Una don't they drink. Una drink so they Guinness consider the house here. They put pipe for their stomach. Every day that they produce. They don't know say na 4 plus 4 people na do the cancel. They just they cancel. You go this bar 4 plus 4. You go this house 4 plus 4. You go this place 4 plus 4. If you can't talk, they'll say 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4. How far now? I can't be. Uwayari mo bogbe. Is SLC yeke. Ili wagi wena. Wamagi walaja the live video nwadota. Nivya do egiwa. Uwagi li yeke tana we. Then you want win asele le government na. Amati the appointment me. Okay, so we deal with Tiyawa. Some of their wife now they fight them for his house. Only you know go fight for appointment. Why this man wicked like this? Only why this man wicked? The way you suffer rich. The way you suffer rich. Only this man not give you appointment. He not give you minister. Hey, listen. A time day. When you busy, when you day for life. When you see the other man they struggle to climb, not fall out for inside the hole again. Leave him may struggle. If he succeed, then succeed down. If he not succeed, then leave him. But we are trying bringing everybody down. Just one word you heard. Now you don't start to condemn Comrade Latina or Yahi. You don't condemn her. You don't condemn her. Say now some people call you, now so you begin to sell that for Bini, now so you begin to you do your business. You use 4 plus 4 to build on your platform. At the end you pursue stainless come off for body. You pursue them. Even the $5,000 where our governor give her at that time, he share am for among of Unatiri. You not say you don't go collect. But the money was not given to you. But for your mouth, they see here and say, area waga go man. I want win, why worry? I want the appointment in wire. Osaba my punish you winner. Whether they me appointment. Whether they near. Eh? We ma beg where na yak bijawe, ave yak bijawo. O any man or he where then we are what my Tony. Then we are rubbish any. When we are rubbish damoli o somole. No ze who were dead do that dead do we work they will not see a kiri. Kenola Sarah would in Mexico. In Kenola ya Sarah in Mexico. Yangi Kodori. Yala Dori and Marshemole were no na. We platform Guatalo. Or Guatalo, not ye. Now that it bless you. Now that it bless you. And so Somole wants to come out. He not still throw away you. He can't still carry you, give up back. It's okay. May you date this boy. May you just deal with this Geo. You understand? But at the end, when matter day, you begin to fight to Somole. You begin to condemn him for back. You begin to condemn him. They condemn him. And when you know, when you are doing things in life, you have to let people know where I'm doing this thing not for sentiment. Not for sentiment. Don't you know that we the judge, we go they wash. We dey watch you, we dey look you as you dey do the live broadcast. When you go look am, we go look, bros. You be my brother. I see they tell you be my brother. See, wetin you go do, I dey wait for your apology. Listen, go and carry your kagbe, your kagele. Go and carry your community people. Go first and foremost. You go to Adanle Oshomole's house and beg for forgiveness. And you go to our comrade house, Tony Kabaka, and beg for forgiveness. Because here we are, Bob will not be no one. Those are the people that lift you up. Your daddy Gio have never helped you. Your daddy Gio, because you collected money, they have paid you off. Now you are now in this square zero. And then you go swing and you go where you are. Not where here. I'm in Vedileki. I have one by 2 years. Go for 10 million. Go for this. I know that you may be selling. You may be selling land, selling houses. But you have worked for this government. You're supposed to be in power. And very soon we are going to urge our governor. We are going to make sure our governor give you appointment. May sickness not go kill you. Because you are depressed right now. How many years to go? September now September I don't complete 1 year now. 1 year. On the 19th, and they complete 1 year for office for new second tenure. And they never see give you an appointment. Bros, we need to fight now. Wetin happen to Tony Kabaka not go happen to you. Bros, we not go agree. They must give you appointment. If the minister of clean dirty, if the minister of clean things, you're dead there. You'll be minister, or minister of environmental, or minister of enemy, or minister of egbos, or minister of egbosa. You know.